Making caramel chocolate at home. Caramel chocolate can be bought, but you can also try making it yourself by caramelizing white chocolate. Place the white chocolate in a pan and set the heat to the lowest setting. Begin stirring the chocolate with a silicone spatula. The chocolate will melt quickly and its texture will start to change. It will thicken and become more solid. As it becomes thicker, start pressing and folding the chocolate. Continue stirring vigorously until you achieve the desired caramel color. Then turn off the heat and the chocolate will begin to melt. Important, if you notice the chocolate becoming very thick, you can add a tablespoon of powdered cocoa butter. Always cook the chocolate at the lowest temperature. It's recommended to use white chocolate with at least 28% cocoa butter. The deeper the color, the richer the caramelized flavor you'll achieve. Make sure to use a non-stick frying pan that doesn't retain any previous food flavors. After the chocolate has completely melted and become uniform, you can use a blender to achieve a smoother consistency.